Alright guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the Object tab under the Design Central panel. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a reminder for those that are new, this is a mini series on the Design Central panel, which is this panel located on the right. We've covered quite a few of its tabs already, but today we're going to be looking at the objects or the Object tab. Now, I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. So first off, to be able to locate your tab if it's not there for any reason, on your standards toolbar on top here next to the undo and redo, there's this little icon that if you hover it says Design Central. The shortcut's Control I, as you can see. So just click that one and it should bring it. Then a thing to keep in mind about the Object tab, this is kind of just like a broad name for extra settings that objects have, because this tab will be called different depending on what is selected. So in other words, the settings and values under this tab will vary depending on what you're working with. So if I just make a normal shape, for instance, we will see if I select this, we've got a new tab here on the right, and if I hover it says rectangle. Now under the rectangle we have a few options. We can set its scale horizontally, vertically. We can choose to round it, inverted clipping, things like that. So it's got settings containing or relevant to this shape. Now if I had to go and click on some text, we'll see now we have two extra tabs, and these both still fall under the Object tab. So we've got some text properties and some paragraph type properties as well. So then and it's something it's good to know, because every type of shape, or for instance if I let's say make a path, then you'll see suddenly we have different settings under there. So we can choose the path, we can adjust it and so forth, and if we deselect, and obviously we'll have the basic scale and rotate tab as well, but then we still have its Object tab, or in this case tabs. You'll see it names the tabs according to what you're going to do under it. But yeah, like I said, they all fall under the Object tab. And another thing to keep in mind is, for instance, let's say I've got this shape and the text selected, you'll see only the scale and rotate tabs available for us. But if I had to, let's say, make a copy of this shape, or it's another shape entirely, then if I select the two, then we still have the Object tab available if it's similar type of tools or shapes and so forth. Same with text. If I have the text, I select another text, you'll see those two tabs are still available for us. Obviously certain things will be because they are not a universal size, they will not show a value, so you can obviously change them, they will make it the same size, but that is a good thing to keep in mind. But obviously if I have a shape and let's say a path, it will remove all the extra Object tabs. Otherwise, that is it on the Object tab. It's a rather simple thing, but also quite complex, seeing that it is relevant to whatever you have selected. So we will not be going into depth about what's under each one of these, because it is more tool related. We will cover that in future videos. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we have this nice little search option. So if you guys are looking for anything specific, just type it in here, hit the little magnifying glass button, and it will try to find the result for you. But if it still runs dry and you don't get what you're looking for, you can always go here to request a training video, and then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.